Let's talk about the support and resistance strategies and the rules that guides them. So if you are a beginner trader and you're new into trading Forex or synthetic, this strategy I'm about to talk about, it's good for you. You have to stick with it. If you follow these rules when it comes to support and resistance, you're going to, find it very easy to make lots of money because I've done it and I've used it to make thousands of dollars off the trading market, both the Forex and the synthetic. So let's get into it. Now, when it comes to support and resistance, understand that you are going to follow the trend. If you go against the trend, you will lose more money, right? You keep on losing money when you do not follow the trend. So you follow the trend, and then the support and resistance strategy also works with chart patterns. It works with chart patterns, various type of chart patterns, and it also works with different kind of candlesticks. About 3 major candlesticks for each kind of trend. If you are doing the uptrend is strictly for those for buyers, right? So you are following uptrend because you want to buy, and that is the trend you are seeing. So anything you are looking for is for you to buy. And then the strategy you'll be using is a resistance turn support, because resistance turn support is strictly for buy, and everything you are going to be using is the candlestick and the chart patterns. Every buy chart patterns, every buy candles, strong buy candles, you are going to follow that with the trend, with the uptrend. But when it comes to downtrend in support and resistance strategy, you strictly just focus on the bearish candles, the bearish chart patterns that makes it up, because you are looking for sales when it comes to a downtrend. So your focus should be on the sales because it's a downtrend. So I hope that with this little explanation of mine and these few rules that I broke down for you, that you will make lots of money from the forex trading market. If you need any guidance on this, you can always hit me up, and also click on the YouTube link button in my bio, because I always drop tutorials. I'm dropping some tutorials in the coming days on my YouTube channel, so please do feel free to subscribe also on my YouTube channel. And then don't forget to follow me for more updates if you enjoy this.